Oh, yeah. And so, speaking of Insta360, I had an issue with one of my videos when I went to Death Valley, and it corrupted. It corrupted the video where I was actually going through artist palette, I think. But I'll link that video up here in the corner. Oh, well, that's what I'm going to say I'm going to do. Hopefully I'll remember to do it. Yeah, it corrupted. It corrupted when I saved it to my computer. You know, I plugged the camera in the computer, transferred the files over. It seems like when I was able to read the file while it was still on the camera through the computer, it was okay. But once I transferred it over to the computer, it was corrupt and I couldn't do anything about it. Well, the Insta360 file checker fixer app that they have, it's no good. I don't know what it's used for, but it really does nothing. It doesn't work. And so what I ended up doing was taking the 3 files that make up that video clip. I put them all back onto my camera, and then through the app I exported it as a 360 video. And when I exported the video, the whole video file, when I exported it, saved it on my camera, got it from my camera, or got it from my phone, and then saved it, copied it over to my computer, I was able to read it as a 360 file that way. So that was a problem, but that was the workaround for me, and it might work for other people that have that same problem. Just saying. You give it a shot before you actually delete it because you're frustrated about having a corrupt file. So give it a shot. Save your file if you can. And let me know if that works for you. Let me know. As I said earlier, give me comments. If I'm giving you information and you're giving it a shot, hey, there's a pyramid. And you're giving what I say, you're trying what I say. Let me know if it works for you. Then maybe I can reach out to 360 and say, hey, this is really messed up. You should fix it. Because I sent my yeah, that's the thing. I sent my files to 360, Insta360, and never got a response from them. And I have an account with Insta360, so that was all recorded. So I know they got it, but I've never heard anything from them. And I didn't want to lose that. I didn't want to lose that particular video.
If you can be so kind as to click the like button, comment, and subscribe, I would appreciate that very much.
Yeah. Oh, come on. What is all this bumpy stuff? What's going on?
Thanks for watching.